In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a thermostat housing assembly on your Honda Accord. Reach down and open the radiator drain. Make sure you have a collection bucket under the vehicle before opening the drain. Start to drain your coolant. To drain the coolant faster, open up the top radiator cap. Once your coolant's done draining, go ahead and close the petcock. Using a pair of pliers, squeeze the clamp, pull it down, pull the hose off the thermostat housing. I'm just going to pull it to the side out of the way. Using a 10mm socket, remove the thermostat housing bolts. Remove the thermostat housing. Be sure there's a bucket under you before you do this. Using a scraping tool, piece of sandpaper, or other light abrasive, go ahead and clean the mating surface for the thermostat housing. You can use a little bit of brake parts cleaner on a rag and wipe it off after. Just want a nice clean surface for the new O-ring to sit on. Install the thermostat housing. And get one of your bolts started to hold it. Install the rest of your bolts. And then the one on the bottom. Go around and snug all the bolts down. Torque the bolts to 9 foot-pounds. Install the radiator hose. Using a pair of pliers, we're going to squeeze the clamp. Move it back into place. Using the correct attachments, I'm going to install a coolant funnel onto the radiator, and then I'm going to fill the radiator. Once the radiator is full with coolant, go ahead and start your car and bleed the system for about 10 to 15 minutes or until all of the bubbles stop coming out. You may need to add more during this process. Once you're done bleeding the coolant, you can remove your funnel assembly if you used one, and then install your radiator cap.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.